Hello everybody, this is Omkar Patil, the Technical Research Associate from GEPL Capital. So let's begin with the weekly market outlook. Let's first have a look what the Nifty index has done for the whole week and what is the possible path ahead. So looking at the weekly charts of the Nifty index, we can clearly see that over here from the prior swing low to the swing high of the early December 2022, we witnessed that the prices have shown a good bounce from the lower levels of 17,035 mark, which is sync with the 50% Fibonacci retracement of the prior advance which we just mentioned, and also this level is also in sync with the multiple price action area which we witnessed in the July 2022, also in the September October 2022, and recently in the March 2023. So from these lower levels we have actually witnessed that the Nifty index has clearly maintained its uptrend with higher highs and higher lows formation, and also in the latest trading week we have actually witnessed the formation of higher high and higher lows into intact, which is intact. While in the overall week, if we'll have a look, we have gained almost a flattish note, we can say the index has ended with a gain of 4 points, which is around about to 0.02%. Coming to the daily charts, so on the daily charts we can clearly see that the index post giving a breakout of inverse head and shoulder pattern in the prior week ago, we witnessed a clear up move, and from that up move was actually witnessed very sharply till the earliest levels which we have actually discussed in the prior videos as well. The 18,265 was a level which we had also mentioned earlier, that over here there might be some level where the prices may come and take a halt, and we can see that the index has actually done and also respected the levels very well. So going ahead, the levels are still intact and the view is also still intact. The level of 18,000 on the higher side is a mark which we are looking for the index to get surpassed for the next week, and once the level of 18,265 is taken out, we can expect the index can go higher till the mark of 18,887, which is the record highs of the benchmark index Nifty. While on the lower side, if we'll have a look, the index is maintaining lower lows, lower highs. So at the same level of the pattern, we have a neckline of the inverse head and shoulder, which stood at the mark of 17,865, and this is the one of the key support level which we are looking for the week, where the prices can look to respect for the whole week. And when once this level is taken down, we have some space till the level of 17,500, which also was one of the key levels which we had mentioned earlier. Coming to the charts of Bank Nifty, so again starting with the weekly charts. So on the weekly charts, we can say that from the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement of the prior advance from the June to early December highs, the Bank Nifty has actually shown a good performance. And over here, if we'll have a comparison between the distance from the its 52-week high of Nifty and Bank Nifty, we can see that the Bank Nifty is almost about to touch its 52-week high. So over here, not only just 52-week high but also the record high, we can see that the bank Nifty is actually very much closer to its record high, which reflects the outperformance behind the index against the benchmark index Nifty. So going ahead, even here we have witnessed a clear formation of higher highs and higher lows, and the outperformance is again reflected by the Bank Nifty, and we expect that this index to again outperform the benchmark index Nifty. So on the weekly basis, we got to see some kind of pressure coming into Bank Nifty, while the Bank Nifty has actually lost 572 points, which is negative 1.32%. Coming to the daily charts, so on the daily charts we can see that post breaking out the bearish channel, the index has actually shown a clear resilience, and going ahead the levels are still intact, the view is also still intact, despite we have seen some kind of selling pressure for the a recent reading session. So nevertheless the trend is still positive. We expect the index to uh, go ahead and test the record highs, which is at the mark of 44,151. While if that is surpassed, we can expect the index to move much more higher with a very strong momentum, which can eventually drag the prices much more higher to the mark of 45,000. And on the lower side, the mark of 42,200 is quite a very crucial support for the index, and below that it is the 41,800 mark, which seems to be very crucial if 42,200 is taken down. Coming to the stock specific, some stocks which can continue its momentum of this week till the upcoming weeks or some more days. The first stock is Apollo Tires. So we can see that the Apollo Tire is currently trading at its all-time high. So which also suggests that the stock already is in a very strong momentum. Coming to its daily chart, we can see a clear classical breakout of a very consolidated zone, a rectangle pattern you can consider it, which is also indicating us a continuation of prior uptrend. And going ahead, we can expect the stock to move higher till the mark of 417, and once that is surpassed, the stock can also climb much more higher till the mark of 440. So on the lower side, the mark of 340 can act as a stop loss for this trade. So the breakout is actually a very stronger breakout, which can be confirmed by the gap created on the 28th of April 2023, and also a good participation from the volumes can be witnessed. So the next stock which can continue its momentum is Mahindra and Mahindra Finance. So while on the weekly charts, so even Mahindra and Mahindra Finance is currently at its 52-week high, which shows that it also is in a very strong momentum. Over here also we can see some faster move and also a gap, presence of gap, which also confirms the breakout. So going ahead over here, we can see the clear classical breakout of inverse head and shoulder pattern can be witnessed. There is also volume participation quite rising over here, which also shows the built up behind the prices in this up move from the mark of 220 till its current level. So there is some outperformance which we can expect the stock to still continue higher till the mark of 325 followed by 355, while on the lower side the mark of 260 will act as a stop loss. So that's it from our side. I hope you like this video. Make sure that you are subscribed to GEPL's YouTube channel. Thank you.